Good evening. It's now Thursday evening, and it's time for the evening meal. You know what that means. We'll hear a chime. I'll fetch the food. I'll first put on a mask. Gotta remember that. We're in Korea. They want me to wear a mask when I go out. Not even out. Just poke my head out far enough to get the... I'll be in compliance. I just forget sometimes that just grabbing the food. They want me to wear a mask. I'll wear a mask. All right. So the chime will sound, and then it'll be time for me to get my food. Hopefully the chime sounds soon, because I'm waiting. Chime? There we go.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished the meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты. Возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.
All these chimes are making me exhausted. All right, the amateur not tire upper is back at it. This is going to take some skill. There we go. Whew. Thought we'd never get food tonight. Okay, soup. Food, drink. Yeah, drink almost got away. More food, water, coming up. There's one water, two waters. And I'll pick that up later. All right. In these compartments here, we have pickles down. Pickle. All right. Get the chopsticks out. We got pickles coming up. Pickles. Salad dressing, salad, and bun. We'll peel the paper off the bun. Sometimes it really sticks on the bottom. There we go. Paper off the bun. Paper doesn't taste good, so paper off the bun. We'll taste it. For those that are wondering what's in it, it's fruit. What kind of fruit? I've not determined. Still don't know. Salad dressing coming on. This is not the purple salad dressing, this is the pink salad dressing. It's almost as good as the purple, but not purple, it's pink. All right. Mixed up, see what the pink stuff tastes like today. I say fruity. Fruity. I still like the purple better. The pink is kind of mild, almost bland. The purple had really a grapey flavor. This is again, the analogy is it's like a strawberry went to a party and just wasn't fun. Lost its fun on the way to the party. Two pickles at once. There's some sort of sweet dill pickles. Now, this is interesting. I've not seen this particular, and this is hard to get off today. It's childproof. Childproof as in me-proof. Me being the big child. All right, let's see what this tastes like today. It might be beef. Let's see. There. I would say beef with chili sauce and onion. That's the dominant flavors. We have to taste the soup. Soup has, what are those? Crunchy sprouts. It's not very savory, almost bland, but the sprouts are crunchy. You know, I really don't mind spicy food, and if you're eating, if you're exercising regularly, a little salt doesn't hurt you. I'm not exercising quite as much as I normally do, but I'm doing what I can. I'm gonna sample the wet wipe, get some of that goopy off. Now see if we can figure out what the fruit is today. I still think it's Hawaiian punch without the fun. Pineapple, maybe orange. I can't make it out still. It's a nice treat though. Well, I think I've sampled everything that's here. Water tastes like water, salad tastes maybe a slight strawberry flavor. The rice, okay, I'll sample the rice. At home we really like jasmine rice if we're gonna have steamed white rice. Not bad. It tastes like typical restaurant rice though. It's not quite what mom would make, you know, that kind of thing. If you have an Asian mom, you know what I mean. Yeah. Well, let's see. No real news. I am registered with the State Department as, you know, my trip and agendas put in so far. So I've said that when I entered Korea, when I'm leaving Korea, when I plan to enter China. They need that kind of thing just in case there's an alert and they need to get a hold of me so they know what country I'm in, just in case, for heaven forbid, we have a tsunami or earthquake or around here, you know, there's some sort of missile test or something that went off and triggered an alarm. Oh, try some more soup. We don't imagine we'll have any earthquakes or any other problems, but the State Department, would like to know where the Americans, when they travel, that way the embassy can take care of them if there's a disaster. Before I eat all the food, it's time to sign off with the typical tone. As the tone's going off, I'm leaving.
식사 배달을 모두 마쳤습니다. 객실 문 앞에 도시락이 준비되어 있으니 천천히 맛있게 드십시오. 감사합니다.
I've finished. The meal delivery is complete. A lunchbox is prepared in front of the room door, so please enjoy your meal slowly. Thank you.
送晚饭了，客厅门前准备好了便当，慢慢享用吧。谢谢。
食事の配達をすべて終えました。客室のドアの前にお弁当をご用意しておりますので、ごゆっくりお召し上がりください。ありがとうございます。
Раздача еды завершена. Откройте дверь своей комнаты, возьмите коробку для завтрака, поставленную перед дверью, и медленно наслаждайтесь. Спасибо.